Today we're going to be putting grease in our axles. I'm going to take you through the process. It's real simple. We repack our wheel bearings at least once a year, and every 6 months we'll go ahead and load in a new fresh load of grease. For that you're going to need some high quality grease, a really good grease gun. I prefer this one here, and just a regular screwdriver and some paper towels. Now if you're parked on a gravel bed like we are today, I find one of these doggy towels really soft and comfortable when working underneath the rig. After a few months, the tires can get pretty dirty. I always take the opportunity to shine them up as much as we can while we're down here. Usually on these center hubcaps, you'll find a little place to put a screwdriver. Now I converted my hubs with disc brakes, and it came with these really nice clear plastic see-through cases that go right around the bearing. When you pop the center rubber off, you'll see the zert fitting, and you'll be able to see the bearing and some grease coming around it. You want to be real careful when uncapping your grease fitting that you don't get any dirt in, so I like to put a paper towel down to keep the area clean. I use a lock and lube fitting because they're very trustworthy. Once you get them on, you just let go of it and it makes a secure fit. Finally, all you have to do is pump the handle. Somewhere between a 50 and 100 squirts is actually what it takes, and you'll know you're done when you start seeing grease form. Now you want to keep pumping until that grease that you see coming out between the bearing there gets all the dirt and grime off of it, and it starts to come out with a nice cleaner color. Once you're happy with the material coming out, you're going to go ahead and put the little rubber fitting right back in there and seal it up. Go ahead and snap on your plastic cover right into place. So while we're down here, I always find it a good opportunity to check the torque on your bolts. Now I've got the 9/16 studs with the 7/8 socket that fits it, and so I'll set my torque to about 135 inch-pounds. Now the final thing we'll do is we'll check the tire pressure, and this is where I really love these blow-through senders that we use. We can actually check the pressure, and we can fill the tire without having to take the tire pressure sender off. Yeah, it looks like a good reading. Have a great day. Call me old school, but I always like to put a little bit of spit right on the end of that to make sure the Schrader valve is not leaking.